As a front-end developer, I thrive on transforming ideas into engaging digital experiences. With a strong foundation in HTML and CSS, I craft clean, responsive layouts that look great on any device. I believe that the user interface is the first impression, and I make sure it's a lasting one. React is my go-to framework for building dynamic applications. Its component-based architecture allows me to create reusable UI elements, making development faster and more efficient. I love how React enables me to manage state seamlessly, ensuring that users have a smooth and interactive experience. Collaboration is key in this field. I enjoy working closely with designers and back-end developers to bring projects to life. Communication is essential, and I always strive to understand the vision behind each project, ensuring that the final product aligns with the client's goals. I'm passionate about keeping up with the latest trends and best practices in web development. Whether it's optimizing performance or enhancing accessibility, I'm committed to delivering high-quality work that not only meets but exceeds expectations. If you're looking for a dedicated front-end developer who can turn your ideas into reality, let's connect. I'm excited to help you create something amazing.